Hi, I'm Vic, and I recently had a hair transplant surgery procedure with the Asian Hair Restoration Center. And in the start, I was quite afraid about the procedure. But I'm so glad I had it done because I'm so happy with the results. I actually have thick hair, but I noticed that when I brush my hair upwards, and sometimes when I have a hairband, I notice I have like a thinning spot here and medyo receding. And then I also noticed my mom, her hairline was already like the middle. I was afraid for how it's going to look later on. And that's why I decided to consult with Asian Hair Restoration Center. When it comes to anything with your body, you really have to go to the best in the field. And Dr. Romulo is known to be the best when it comes to hair transplant. And if you notice that what's stopping you from having a good day feeling is your hair, go ahead and have a hair transplant. It's really worth it. I'm so happy because I was so insecure with the thinning parts of my hair before, and it stopped me from being confident about myself. So go ahead and do what it needs to be done for your hair when it comes to your hair.